Okay. What's your name?
Keith.
Keith, I'm Jamila.
You're Jamila. I haven't heard of Jamila before.
It's an Arabic thing.
Okay. So is it common there?
Yeah, but not where I'm from.
No.
Not around here.
Yeah, see now it's sliding right up. Yeah. Yeah, this part right here is the hardest part of this lower one. But yeah, now I'd probably swing and hit that tree if I fell right now. It'd probably be impossible and I'd have to rappel down. That'd be one of those places where you hung in space.
Right, you gotta reset.
Right. And the easiest way I found for this one, to get your left hand on this thing right here,
Okay.
and then go into the crack right there.
It looks ruggy.
Yeah, that's real. If you go anywhere else, you only get your fingers in there.
Nice, Keith. There you go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Just keep.
Get to chill for a second with a nice heel hook. Oh, you did.
Awesome.
Use a little knee, bad form. But I don't mind.
Sometimes it's necessary. Nice.
Oh, man. You take a little rest.
Nice little ledge to clear off.
Yeah. I thought they did you wrong right here too. Because you get to the ledge, which is where you want to be.
Yeah.
Put the ball so that there.
Right, yeah, and then you gotta go far over.
They could have put it right here,
Yeah.
or even right here. Or they could have put it right here. You'd have been fine. Like they said, yeah, we don't want you to go to the ledge. I think it's actually filming me right now. Like not the lower one may have got me some. I think I actually got that one set up okay.
What?
That one.
Yeah, it looks like you had that set up so you could go up, you could go down if you wanted to.
What do you mean?
This one right here.
The camera?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so I just pull it down. It's just wrapped around the tree up top. So just when I get done, I just pull it. Just pull it down. I just pull it from the ground. Yeah, I had a little problem the last time. The first time it felt really easy. It felt a little harder. Just holding on to stuff a little harder than that.
That heel hook that you have hard.
No, I don't think so. I think it's pretty. Like it was my hand right here. Well, I don't know. I didn't grab it as good. And then, but keeping that other one in that that same spot, that same where the crack is, then you just throw that heel right over top of that, and you're like, I'm good. Like even if you're going to top rope this one, you want to clip all the bolts as you're going down, as you're rappelling down. You want to clip all the bolts. Yeah, so you don't swing back in that tree. Like I. Get a little bit of a knee bar here, but I don't have really knee bar pads. So these are just regular knee pads for like soccer. It's not holding on as good. Ah!